Alright, hello and welcome everybody. My name is Dan the Canadian, and today I'm going to be jumping into a brand new series called Road to Code. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be learning how to code, which I have very minimal experience with. I did a itsy bitsy bit like 12 years ago in high school, but that's about it. So I've gone ahead and I've gone onto this website called BootDev, and I've linked that down below. And basically, what it is a website that helps you learn how to code. So you can go ahead and use my link down in the description and jump over to it, and it'll bring you to this. You just sign up, and it's free. There is a membership that you could do. There's also a free demo you could try out. I went ahead and I did a couple levels of this just to kind of see what it was like, and then I decided I liked it, paid for the yearly subscription, and now I'm getting into it with this brand new series. So with that being said, I'm gonna sit here with some nice copyright free music, which all of it is linked down below. And yeah, we're just gonna start getting into this. I went ahead and reset all my progress, so I'm starting from brand new level 0. Let's go ahead. We got a quest now. We can either get a common chest for 500 XP, an uncommon for 2000 XP, or a rare chest for 5000 XP. Now I'm gonna go for the rare, because the first thing I did, it gave me like 300 XP. So I want to push myself till we get this chest. And you can only do one every 24 hours, so I'm going to accept this. And now I got 24 hours to earn 5000 experience. Go ahead and close that. And yeah, that's the quest. Alright, courses. Now these are the different courses. So you got like 157 different lessons on this, and then 31 optional lessons, and then it just goes down the list like this, and it's quite a lot, honestly. Yeah, and then you get the deeper learning. So there's a lot of courses to go through, and I think with the stream I'm gonna go through maybe 2 chapters today, and then we'll go from there. So go ahead and get in here. I'm not going to talk much. That way, you know, we can go ahead and enjoy the music too. I want this to be a very chill, very laid back stream, and I just want it to be like, yeah, you can come in and just relax with it, you know. So with that being said, yeah, I mean, let's get into it. All right. So this is basically explaining how Python works. The gray run button will run your code. The blue submit button runs your code and submits it to check your work, and the right arrow navigates to the next lesson, which is going to be this. Now I did put this because I was trying to mess around with stuff. Welcome to Fantasy. So building Fantasy Quest. We're going to build a text-based adventure game called Fantasy Quest. In this course, I've written the first line of code for you. It prints the message below the editor welcoming new players to the game. So print, and then brackets and quotation marks, you have welcome to Fantasy Quest, so it's gonna print that. So if I hit submit, 270 XP. Not too bad. Go ahead and go to lesson number 2. Fix your first bug. Now, The combat system in Fantasy Quest isn't working as intended. It appears players are gaining health when attacked instead of losing it. Fix the math bug on line number 3. Now, when I did this, I figured out pretty quick. Math bug, this has to be a negative integer. So, submit, and that's correct. The sword damage is 10, player health, whatnot. Alright, we need to tell our new players how to move. Use the arrow keys to move. So we're going to go, and I'm going to try not to copy and paste a lot. I kind of want to just, you know, just type it out more. Print, and that and that. Oh, I think there needs to be a space there. Nope. Ah, use the arrow keys to move. Silly me. There we go. Python is not often used in... see, it's not known for front-end work. We're getting a lot of XP. We're already level 3. And it is not known for front-end work. Python is known for being simple. Alright. Go to just a series of instructions. Print. $50 plus 75. Yep, that's it. Alright, now this is where I left off. That last one was the last one I had done before I went back, reset everything, bought the subscription. So from here on out, it is completely fresh in my mind. Like, I don't know any of it. I've never done it. I've never really, you know, had any experience. So yeah, from here on out, this is going to be brand new, and the struggle shall be shared between all of us, whoever decides to watch this. So code runs in order, starting at the top of the program. For example, this prints first, second, and last. This is a new line. So alright, so this needs to be rearranged. So is there an easy way to do this? Probably not. I wish I could just take the line and forcibly move it up. What we'll do instead is this, and then print Jax. Oh. Then we'll delete that line and delete that line, and that should be it. Yep, that's it. Now if it's a lot and it's a lot of typing and I'm not used to it, I might do some copy paste, but I'm trying to just go with just typical. Ooh, okay, we achieved a milestone. Complete 5 exercises. That was a couple ago. We're on number 7. Let's kind of see. No, I don't want the shop. That's the quest. Achievements. See, the next milestone is going to be 15, and then for 2 weeks, reach level 10. Yeah, 15 exercises should be our next one. boss, no. Recruit a friend, no. This is my profile, by the way. As you can see, it's got my Twitter and my location. As some of you may know, if you have seen my older videos, I do mention time and time again, I'm stationed in San Diego in the Navy. And then it's got my YouTube channel right here. Let's see, where is my overall? There it is. 495 XP on level 4. I'm 38% of the way done with this. I'm almost halfway. Let's go back to courses and continue. Alright, next course. Syntax is jargon for valid code that the computer can understand. Well, it goes invalid. It's invalid because it has only one of these. Let's see. Print. Hello world. That's okay. I'm not printing it. I'm fixing this. My bad. Ah. Hooray! That means the rules for valid code in programming. Yeah, I paid attention. What is this? 1 week streak, 9 lessons total. Okay. What happens if you're running on it? It'll be provided. Yeah. Fix 2 errors. Alright, these 2 I can see pretty easily. It's gonna be one of these. And then I. Oh. Oops, I meant to submit. 540. Wow. How's this quest coming? 60% of the way. So that's gonna be 3,000 experience. Our team is asking for some stats on our Fantasy Quest game servers. They'd like to know the average number of players on the 4 servers. Debug the code so it correctly prints the solution to the math problem. How would I go about doing this? I know it's an optional challenge, but I want to do it. I mean, it looks right to me. What if I had this? Yeah, I didn't think so. Ah, you can't put it in quotes. That's right. Okay. If I take it out of quotes, submit, and now it gives me what I want. So the average player is going to be 247.5. Quite a lot of midgets. All right. Our dev team has been making updates to the innkeeper shop, but there's a problem. The innkeeper's text dialog is empty. Oh no. Add 2 separate print statements to complete the innkeeper's response. They should say the following. Great choices, and is there anything else I can help you with? Okay, so when what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna copy that. So that I can get it a little quicker. Sweet. So I will keep the copy of the word print, that way I don't have to keep repetitively typing it out. Let's see, how far are we? Oh, 87%. That's gotta be about 4,500 maybe? We're almost there. Variables are how we store data in our program. So far we've been directly printing data by passing it directly into the print function. Now we're going to learn to save the data variable so we could use and change it before we need to print it. A variable is a name that we define that will point to some data. For example, I could define a new variable called my height and set its value to 100. I could also define a variable called my name and set it to Lane. To create a new variable in Python, we use the following syntax. My underscore new underscore variable underscore 2 equals 2. This could be called anything. 3. Alright, so what I want is to do player health equal to 1,000. Okay. We are right on the cusp of it. I would say, let's see, 5,000. I'm at 4,800 experience, so one more, and I will get it. All right. Acceleration in 10, 20, and backwards. All right, let's see. Player health, player health, player health, player health. Oh, didn't mean to do it in. I think I meant to do it here. Yeah, I messed that up. How do I restart this? I messed that up pretty bad. No, not the lesson. Let me see. Let's see if that's what I was supposed to do. Yes, that is. Okay. And, oh, so we earned our daily chest and we completed our 15 exercise milestone at the same time. That is fantastic. So we'll go in here and we'll get the chest first. Okay, 13 gems, 2 baked salmon, and an armor. Ooh. I'll have to look at that armor. We completed the silver milestone. Let's see, the next milestone, so is 60. That's gonna be for the gold. Now, I believe we're gonna reach level 10 way before that. I can't see us doing 2 weeks before level 10, but it'll be on the way. Let me see. So yeah, our next milestone is going to be level 10, and then we'll keep pushing towards that 60. I might even do the 60. I am loving this. We got 13 gems. Okay, so I could buy an XP multiplier potion. Okay. Feed boots a baked salmon and ask for help without XP penalty. Oh, okay. Okay, so if I'm stuck, I'm gonna try not to use that. Hold on to this. I'm gonna buy an XP thing. And I want to use it. Now we got XP for the next half hour, plus 50%. Alright, let's go ahead. Take a drink. Aww. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so that was a lot of XP. So we're definitely going to reach level 10 before then. Alright, my negative number. Great negative numbers. It works the way you expect, except it's just in there. Alright. So. That's just gonna be changed to a negative, correct? Look at that. Awesome. And we earned the achievement, level 10. Only half the people earn that. That means not a lot of people are doing this. Guys, follow through. It's fun. Next milestone. Right now we are an apprentice. We need to be a pupil. 10 more levels. Place your bets. Which one are we gonna get first? Alright. Let's go ahead. Take a line comment. Da-da-da. One Haitians. Sweet. Alright, let's see. You just can't have spaces. Ah. Did I lose the experience? Oh, okay. I thought I saw my experience bar go down. I was gonna say. Snake case. This is a snake case. So this is a camel case where the first one is lowercase, that one's capital. No casing is going to be all lowercase, and then snake case is going to be the one with an underscore. And camel case is the one. This is camel case, snake case, and yeah. All right. Numbers without decimal. A float is number with a decimal. Boolean type. Be an integer. And that should be a Boolean. So we gotta get rid of the quotations here. And I believe this. No, there's just no. Yep. Awesome. Another 675. We are just plowing through these levels. We're going really quick. Alright. You can create a string with dynamic values using F strings in Python. With a beautiful syntax that I wish more program languages use. Number of bananas equals 10s. Print F. If you have number of bananas, then you have so many bananas. Place the name with the value of the name variable. Jarl. Wharf. Ah. Age equals huh. Ah. Correct? I feel like this is wrong. Oh! I'm not supposed to edit any of this. Silly me. Huh. I know this is probably painful to watch. I'm so stupid. See, what I figured was it would autofill the name, right? Because if you put your own name, it's not always going to be Jarl. That's, you know. Alright. What is none? None is a special value in Python that represents the absence of a value or null value. It is not the same as 0, false, or an empty string. Empty equals none. Value of empty in this instance is none. So we use the assigned operator equals to give it a value. Sense? This is a none type, and this is a string type with the parentheses. Okay. Boss. Enemy equals none. Yay! Yeah, you gotta put enemy because enemy is right here. Alright. Oh, I'm already plowing through chapter 2. I crushed chapter 1, apparently. I might even go through chapter 3 at this point. Damn. Alright, as we mentioned in the last exercise, the none keyword is used to define an empty or null value, variable or object. In Python, the none key is used when an object, which we'll cover later, and it is a data type of the class none type. Okay. Why might you as default value that'll be replaced later? Although games these days, you know, probably just a bunch of code saying none. Alright. Python is a dynamically typed. It is dynamically typed. All this means is that a variable can store any type and that type can change. For example, if I make a number variable, I can later change that variable to a string. Okay. Because you can doesn't mean you should. Create a new one. On Tuesdays. No. Do not change the variable type. Give me that XP. How long is our XP good for? Another 18 minutes. Okay, I think I can... I am fairly confident I can get us at least level 15. So let's get through this. Okay, edit line 9. Alright, most of the math operators we went over don't work with strings aside from the multiplication and addition operators. When working with strings, the addition operator performs a unconditional that word. A is a fancy word that means joining two strings. You should prefer string interpolation with F strings over Alright, first name equals Lane. Print full name, Prince. Okay. Easy day. Okay. Let's say explain that. Lane. Okay. So us. I know, I see it, I see it, I see it. Alright. Is that what I wanted? Hot diggity damn! Oh, and we're level 13. Let's go. I am fairly confident we can get to... Oh yeah, we're definitely going to get to level 15 before that runs out. Alright. We can save space when creating many new variables by declaring them on the same line. Sword name, comma, sword damage, comma, sword length equals Excalibur, comma, 10, comma, 200. Okay. No limit. So this is the same as this. So basically they just take this and separate. Okay. And then that connects to that, that connects to that, that connects to that. I'm loving this. This is fun. I mean, I know there's probably some developer out there who's like, haha, just wait. And you know what? Wait, I shall. I declare. How? Oh, no, I don't want that. I want this. Okay. By the end of this stream, I'm going to get to gold milestone. And then the next stream I do, I'm going to hit the next milestone. I love it. Alright. What is he? I need to get more of those potions, which means I need more gems. Oh, okay, there's our, that, okay. I'm still not going to ask Boots for help. Ever. I'm going to take this by the horns and just try my absolute darnest to succeed. If you haven't already, actually, I should probably say this, please subscribe. It honestly, subscribing, leave a comment on your favorite line of code, just do something, anything, you know? I mean, I want this to grow. I took a very long break, 10 months, honestly. I went on deployment, then I came back and I moved and I was getting settled and I just lost all motivation. And then I saw this while watching a Minecraft video. The guy promoted it, and I'll actually tell you what video that was. It was Element X, and it was one of his I added stupid enchantments to Minecraft videos, and he promoted this and I was like, screw it. So I signed up and now I'm loving it, and this is going to be a regular series. I'm going to complete this course, and then after it is complete, I'm going to create my own text-based game, and I will release it for 99 cents. If that. I'll probably release it for free, to be honest. But please do subscribe. I want this to grow. Now. I'm running out of time. I'm wasting time. 11 minutes. Level 13. One more good level and we'll be 14. Oh, we got some. Alright, quest output. Oh, we have some interns working on quests for a new location and fantasy quests. They're having a hard time figuring out how to print the quest text in the correct order. Add some print statements to the end of the code. Get the expected outcome. You there, adventurer. The local mine has been taken over by orcs. We need your help taking it back. Bring back 8 of their axes as proof of your hard work. Okay, let's see. Print. Now, how did I do this? It was print. Let's start. Print. What? No. West, middle. Print. West end. Let's see if that's what we're supposed to do. Cario. Hello. No, that's not what we're supposed to do. Apparently, I'm an idiot. Ah, right. I forgot to add print quest objective. Oh, wow. 1,000 XP. Yep, level 15. Next one. Alright. Battleground average. Competitive Fantasy Quest players just completed a 7-game tournament. We need to write a program that will calculate the average score the winning team had over the 7 games. Assignment: use the score variables. Assign the average scores of the 7 games to the average underscore score variable. Tips: after completing this challenge, don't forget to check out the solution. It shows a way to format a line of code when it is too long to fit the screen. Okay. levels. Oh, oh god. I'm mixing up all of my keys. Nice. Game 7 score. Let's see if this is what I wanted. Ah. Plus game 3, plus game 4, 5, 6, and ah. Divided by 7. Haha. Big brain. So the average score was 99. Okay, do not add below this line. So I gotta do a bunch of stuff up here. Alright, character report. One of our interns started working on a program that outputs data about Fantasy Quest player characters. It is nearly done but has various bugs. Fix the bugs. Okay. Level is equal to 25. Name. Ring. Oh, his name's not string. I'm stupid. Line 13 and 15. Oh, hold on, hold on. Level 13. Or Fix the bugs. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I really don't wanna. Let's see, I believe this is what we do here. Yeah. String, which makes this string, and a float is line 5. Okay, so nope, that. And that's ah. Lopen is a level 25. Windrunner is currently ranked. You see these? I'm doing a website that helps you learn how to code called boot.dev, and part of it is basically creating a text-based adventure game. So I don't know anything about coding. This is my very first time getting into it. If you want to check it out, you can go to boot.dev. I got a link in the description. I believe it's actually kind of messed up. So if you copy and paste it all the way down, yeah. If you copy and paste it, it's going to be the boot.dev _ Bannerlord equals Dan the Canadian. I believe that should help you get in. Oh wait, was I? Silly me. Ah. No. I believe I need to do... Yeah, this is supposed to be name, level, character class, PvP. Ah. I know I'm missing something. I know. Ah. Pretty much, there's still something on line 13, I'm pretty sure, that I'm messing up. And I can't remember what it is. It's some way to basically describe the character's name, level, character class, etc. And I'm messing it up somehow, and I can't put my finger on it because I forget. I know it's probably something super simple. My guy. Yeah, F in chat. Alright. Did we run out of the XP? Yeah. Well, we got to level 15. Next milestone is going to be level 20. And then the 60 exercises. Alright, functions. Allow us to reuse and organize code. Radius area is this times that times that. That works. The problem is you want to calculate the area in more circles. Alright. Def means definition. Area circle using the define word. Turn result. I mean, we need attack area with the 1 meter sword. Alright. circles. One? Nope. Ah, okay, I see. Area of circle. Where is it? That. Here, length. There we go. Yeah. Now, like I said before, this is my very first time ever doing any kind of coding other than high school, but that was like 12 years ago. And I thought it'd be fun to just get back into it. You know, I eventually want to develop a game. And I'm in the military, and when I put in my next set of orders, I'm going to try and go to, you know, college and maybe go for game development and then go from there. I want the throwback to the classic days of you make a game, you release it for a price, and it works, and you don't overcharge for a bunch of DLC on a game that isn't finished. Alright, punches are tricky. I wouldn't say they're hard. Well, I would. But it does take a minute. You might find yourself slowing down in this chapter, and that's totally normal. Whatever you say. Our arms. Is 5. Fine for the, but not called. Function is defined. Here's is what is variable called radius outside of the function but are inside? It's the right answer. Because of this one. Alright. Multiple parameters. Functions have multiple parameters, which is a fancy name for inputs. For example, this subtract function accepts two parameters a and b. Subtract a comma b. Okay, so there's double attack. Yeah, I mean it's really the remembering. This website does pretty good, I would say. at teaching it, because it teaches it in a way that it's easy to understand and remember. I just have trouble remembering stuff myself. But yeah, it promotes it in such a way that I can go back and be like, oh, I know this. And then with enough, repetition, I feel like I can get the hang of this to the point where it's smooth and I can just needlessly code. Like, I want to be able to send somebody a file, and it's a game. And I'm sure you probably see it. It'll be like, yes. If. You get the point. Alright, fine, triple attack. Sorry, I'm just getting a little distracted. I'm trying to read through this and just kind of understand it fully. I'm trying to see exactly. I don't know why I'm struggling with this. I mean, I was breezing through everything else. It's just this. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, name of parameters doesn't matter as much as set in their order. Yeah, struggling. And I don't want to use boots. I don't want to use any help. I'm not developing the game. What I'm doing is a website that helps teach how to use Python and things from there. There's many chapters with many courses, and I'm going through it and basically learning from scratch how to code. And I'm streaming it with some nice music. The issue is I'm at a standstill because there's all these different examples, and I'm trying to see how to go about this. Well, I don't touch below here, I don't do that, so everything is going to be here. So I don't see damage 1, 2, or 3 down here, so do I change those to attack 1, attack 2, attack 3? Ah, they don't have to match. So yeah, I mean, I just learned about those, but I'm still kind of struggling. I don't know why I just suddenly hit a brick wall with it, though. It's just weird. I'm just trying to figure out. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just not sure how to start typing it out. That's my main issue. Like, if I really don't want to use the fucking solution or the help or any of that. I want to try and figure this out. I'm trying to think. This kind of matches up here. So the next one would be I don't fucking know. Some attack 1 plus attack 2 plus attack 3. And then attack 4 plus attack 5 plus attack 6. And then total equals that plus that. And then return total. No. God damn it. I might just have to go for the solution. I'm struggling. Which sucks because yeah, so I know I have to return something. It's how to type it out is what I don't know. Like I'm not sure how to fill it out, basically. I'm not sure how to start it. Let me try this. Rules. Damage 3. No. Okay. That didn't seem to work. Maybe attack 1, 2, 3? No. Alright. I think I just gotta do it. I can't even think about how to lay this out. I admit defeat. Are you fucking kidding me? It's just total. Because I definitely overthought that a hell of a lot. I'm so dumb. What? Oh, what the hell? That wasn't supposed to happen. So what happened here? Oh. I see. No, I know what you mean about the indentation. So if this was like this, it wouldn't be good. But if you do that, it's kind of like a subtask to this instead of its own thing. Okay. Declared functions. Probably noticed that a variable needs to be declared before it is used. Print my name equals this. No. Yeah, so it needs to know what it's printing before. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And you're so smart. Alright, the main function is used. Bug in our program, fix it. Let me try that again. Alright. Let's go to execute in order from top to bottom. Finish quest. I know this is probably like cancerous to watch. You're probably just clenching your toes and punching your monitor. I know like a month from now I'm gonna look back like, what an idiot. was I correct then in taking that def and putting it up? Ah. No. Oh, I'm stupid. Yep, still stupid. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Why is this so goddamn difficult? It's not even that hard. I'm blanking. Hold on. Lines of code. Excuse me. Work. Okay. Oh. No. Ah. Let me fucking... The main brackets function is a convention used in many programming languages to specify the entry point of an application. Fair. By defining a single main function and only calling it main at the end of the entire program. At the end. Single. So does that mean that and main? Why the fuck don't I get this? Forest use, yes. Has to be that, and then you print. Have this, and then it prints. Do from top to bottom, so a variable needs to be created before it can be used. That means if you define a function, you cannot call the function until after the definition. I'm almost there. I can feel it. Just trying to connect the pieces. So let's go to executing top and bottom. So a variable needs to be created before it can be used. It means if you define a function, you cannot call on that function until after the definition. Not call that function. So does that mean there we go. I just had to connect the pieces and understand what I was reading. Because I couldn't, I was just overloading myself. But yeah. Yippee! Yeah, no, I've been reading the chat. I'm dumb in trying to figure this out. Alright, functions must be defined before they can be called. Yeah, just went through that. Functions must be defined in the same order they call one another. Must be defined before they're used. I think this would make structure in Python code hard because the order of the function needs to be just right. As it turns out, there's a simple trick. I would love to know. Most Python developers solve this problem by defining all the functions in their program first, then finally calling the entry point function last. Okay, so they define, and then they call the very first one last as the entry point. Weird. So I could define armor and health and all that stuff, but I have to define main first and then call the entry point very last. False is what I meant to click, not true. Order of functions. Functions must be defined before... Wait. Oh yeah, I already did that. Which is the best practice? Make sure you don't define function out of order. And call it at the end of the file. Yes, this. Alright. Functions practice degrees. Assignment. In Fantasy Quest, as characters are running around the map, they can lose health due to heat exhaustion. Sucks. The game tracks temperature in Fahrenheit, but we need to display the temperature in Celsius for players outside the US. Why not just do Celsius since everybody uses it? Celsius equals 5 divided by 9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. I knew that. Celsius equals 5 divided by 9 times F minus. Well, I know that's going to be negative 40 because that's the same temperature. Ah, I gotta add extra stuff. Very fast doing this kind of math. Just copy the formula. F 9 times negative 40 minus 32 equals 5, 9 and 72. Oh, what was I doing? Wait. 5 times negative 7. Equals 8. Negative 40. But I am missing something. Ah. I'm a genius, aren't I? It's just no. Yeah, maybe it's just divided by 9 multiplied. F minus. No. Alright. Write a function called to Celsius that returns the temperature converted to Fahrenheit Celsius. Oh, not the Celsius. Yeah, to Celsius. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. It's been a long time coming anyways. Find 2 Celsius. Okay. Turn. I don't know. D. F. Fucking Y. Like giving an idiot a ball and telling him to roll it and he still can't figure it out. I don't get it. I don't know why I'm so fucking bad at it. I was on a roll too, and then it was just like, hey, by the way, here's some shit to make you feel stupid. Maybe I don't want to code anymore, but I already paid $260 for the yearly thing, so I'm gonna see this all the fucking way through. Alright! Function definitions. I love function. Find calculated damage, open attack, core damage, finish. Total equals all of that. Return total. Okay, so this is saying what it is, this is explaining what the total is, and this is returning the total. Oh wow, where was this when I needed it? Anyways. Function calls. Which keyword is used to create functions in Python? Which is not an alternative to argument. No slots. I thought so. Function must be defined. My bad. Once. I mean, define one. Alright. Simon, we need to be able to display the current time for our players. There are 6 seconds a minute. For hours, 2 seconds. So hours. Don't touch below this line. Perfectly okay with that. Thank you, CDDs. I appreciate your help. I'm pretty sure I'm never going to make it past this level with them. Take care. Alright. Current time. Time 60 is 3600. Equals 3600. Hey. Yo. Getting there. We're back on track, boys. 46 lessons. When no return value is specified in the function, it will automatically return none, for example. Maybe it's a function that prints some text to the console, but doesn't explicitly return a value on the code snippet. My function, print I do nothing, return none. Nothing return. My function returns none. What's the difference between printing a value and returning it? Value on the console makes it color of the function. How many more of these are there? Alright, we're gonna go to here, and then we are going to go ahead and cut the stream. So I would say another 10-15 minutes. Alright, a function can return more than one value by separating them with commas. Let's start, man. Should become warrior. The hold on. Middle equals plus. Middle. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I've actually got to get off here. Power equals. Let's see. I'll look at solution. Okay. New power equals power plus 1. I don't. Okay. That's a little complicated. Yippee. Alright, I think that is gonna do it for now. I'm struggling just a little bit. However, we are level 17. We are 43 chapters into this, and 6 optional lessons have been completed. We still have all of this to go. All of it. All of it. All these different chapters. All of them. But, yeah, I mean, learning Python is interesting. But I'm gonna call it there. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please do consider subscribing, follow the channel, because I will make this a regular series, just not, every day. Because I do work full time, so I will get it probably every couple days. But until then, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.